on the need to make provision for free high blood pressure and sugar level check at our airports. My name is Honorable Kalejaya Adeboye Paul. I represent the good people of Ajeromi Felunu Federal Constituency, the mini Nigeria. I'm from Lagos State, the state of aquatic splendor. Thank you. Note that air travel can be physically demanding and stressful for many passengers. These factors combined with potential health risks associated with long flights and varying environmental conditions make it essential to prioritize the health of individuals passing through our airports. Aware that air travel has become increasingly accessible to a larger portion of the population. However, the stress associated with travels, coupled with sedentary nature of long flights, can significantly impact the health of individuals, particularly those with pre-existing conditions such as high blood pressure and sugar and diabetes. Also aware that it is of utmost importance to prioritize health of individuals traveling long through our airports, and this motion aims to ensure their access to essentials. Believe that by establishing free health, high blood pressure, and sugar level check desks at our airports, we can promote early detection and prevention care for conditions such as hypertension and diabetics. Regular monitoring of these vital health parameters will enable travelers to seek medical intervention and prevent potential complications. Also believe that the provision of these desks will demonstrate our commitment to public health promotion. It will send a powerful message that will prioritize the well-being of our citizens and visitors, making healthcare services easily accessible regardless of their travel schedules.
Honorable Adebo.
House therefore resolved to 1. Urge the Ministry of Aviation to collaborate with relevant health professionals and organizations to establish and operate high blood pressure and sugar level desk check at the airport across the country. Also urge the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, FAN, to put adequate medical facilities in Nigerian airports to forestall sudden death from high blood pressure and diabetes, among others. Further urge the desks to be staffed with trained healthcare personnel who can adequately measure blood pressure and sugar level, provide basic counseling, and refer individuals to appropriate medical services if necessary. To mandate the Committee on Aviation when constituted to ensure compliance. I so move. Thank you, sir.
Any seconder to this motion?
Yes, sir.
Can we give opportunity to those who are upstairs?
Yes,
we
sir.
have not you propose how to fund the free high blood pressure and sugar level check at the airports. Can you lead the debate and talk a little bit on that before the amendment, please?
Mr. Speaker and members,
Make it 1 minute, please. Go straight to the point.
It's obvious that even as we speak today, we have in our airports some form of medical health check, particularly when the Ministry of Health will do that. And if we need to amend and put that specifically, I don't mind. But I think it's not a challenge to fund. It's a high blood check and a diabetes check. It does not matter, you know. There are also various pharmaceutical centers in our airports. Once it's detected, you are prompted. Some people forget to even take their medication because of traveling details. So we are not asking for a major, you know, intervention. It's just a check.
I think this is a very straightforward motion. It's either you are for it or you are against it. Those in support of this motion say aye.
Amendments. The motion is very, very important. It's life-touching. But however, his target is only on the very high dignitaries who are only doing air traveling. I want to amend the motion that the free check of blood pressure and sugar level should be extended to primary health care centers, cottage hospitals, and specialist hospitals in our constituency. It's very, very important because it is our old men and our people at home that are most affected by this BP, not people that are traveling that are important personnel. I want to include as an amendment that our primary health centers, which is being funded by local government, the cottage hospitals who are being funded by the state, specialist hospital, should declare a free test of blood pressure and sugar level for everybody that comes to hospital so that they can know their health status. Mr. Speaker, I so amend.
Any seconder to this amendment? Yes, the man with the cap.
Thank you very much. Representing Anka Talata Mapara constituency, Zamfara State. My worry on the prayer is that it has not taken any issue relating to sustainability. I cannot see how you can sustain this kind of project without including the Federal Ministry of Health.
So what is your amendment, sir?
Where he said relevant or healthcare agencies, you should insert Federal Ministry of Health.
Thank you. Any seconder to this amendment? Chief Agoja.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.